Ever wondered how to start with Python programming? Today you're in the right place. Welcome to our Python Basics series, where we'll unravel the mysteries of Python programming one concept at a time. In today's episode, we're going to discuss the very building blocks of Python: variables, data types, operators, and basic syntax. A variable in Python is like a container, a name that stores a value. The assignment of a value to this container is done using the equal sign. A simple example would be creating a variable named age and assigning it the value 17. Moving on, we have data types. Python supports a plethora of data types such as integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Each data type is designed to represent different kinds of values. For instance, the integer data type represents whole numbers, while the float represents numbers with a decimal point. Next on our list are operators. Python comes equipped with a variety of operators, including arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment operators. These handy tools enable us to conduct a multitude of operations on our data. Lastly, let's touch upon basic syntax. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. This feature sets Python apart from many other programming languages and contributes significantly to its readability. So, there you have it, the stepping stones to your Python programming journey: variables, data types, operators, and basic syntax. In our next episodes, we'll delve into each of these concepts in more detail and explore more advanced topics. For now, keep these concepts in mind as they will form the foundation of all your future Python adventures. Remember to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next episodes of our Python Basics series. Happy coding! Alright, before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of what we've covered today in our Python Basics series. We started with an introduction to Python programming, followed by the crucial elements: variables, where we store our data. We then moved on to data types, the various forms data can take in Python. We discussed operators, the symbols that perform operations on our data. And finally, we touched upon the basic syntax, the set of rules in Python that dictate how our code should be written and structured. Remember, these are the building blocks of Python programming, and they lay the foundation for more complex concepts that we will explore in future videos. For those of you who are eager to delve deeper before our next episode, we recommend some additional resources. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and the Python documentation itself are excellent places to start. They offer comprehensive tutorials and exercises that will help solidify your understanding of the basics. Don't forget to practice. Coding is a skill best learned by doing. Try to write your own simple programs using the concepts we've discussed today. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into each of these topics. As always, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Python programming content. Happy coding!